Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Paper D Ecology. Chapter Environmental Pollution. Definition of pollution. Pollution is an undesirable change in physical, chemical, or biological characteristics of air, water, or soil. Pollutants, the substance or agent that cause the pollution, are known as pollutants. They are released in harmful amounts as a direct result of human activities. Pollutants, there are two types of pollutants. नॉन बायोडिग्रेडेबल, जो कि इन्वायरमेंट में आसानी से ख़त्म नहीं होते, उनकी ब्रेक डाउन नहीं होती. मटीरियल्स एंड पॉइजन्स लाइक एल्यूमिनियम केन्स, मर्क्यूरिक सॉल्ट्स, लॉन्ग चेन फिनोलिक्स, DDT, डाईक्लोरो डाईफिनाइल ट्राईक्लोरोईथेन, एन इंसेक्टिसाइड, इंसेक्ट्स के खिलाफ यूज़ किया जाता है. न्यूक्लियर वेस्ट either do not degrade or degrade very slowly. They accumulate and combine with other compounds, produce toxins. Second type of the pollutant, biodegradable. It break down into the pollutants that break down into simpler substances due to activity of microorganisms and get mixed with the soil. The biodegradable type of pollutants are sewage or the agriculture waste. Their breakdown release phosphate, carbonate, nitrate, etc. Causes of the pollution. The most of the pollution is due to excessive release of the chemicals into the environment by human activities. The other major cause is the discharge of warm water by many industries into rivers and seas. The warm water hold less oxygen than the cold water, therefore aquatic animals cannot exist into these water bodies. Kinds of pollution. Three main kinds: air, water and soil pollution. First one is the air pollution. The pollutants that cause the air pollution may be primary or secondary. First one is the primary, that added to the air directly. Second, secondary pollutants that are created in the air under the influence of electromagnetic radiation. Major air pollutants are sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, nitric oxide, carbon monoxide, hydrogen sulfide, fluoride, lead, mercury, and variable particulates. What are the particulates? Solid particles or liquid droplets including fume, smoke, dust and aerosol. Aerosol is the fog. Sources of pollution. The gases that include vehicle exhaust यानी गाड़ियों का धुआं, fossil fuel burning, paint solvents, pesticides, deforestation जंगलात का कटाव, farms यानी agriculture practices, refrigerants, the chemicals that are used in the refrigerants like chlorofluorocarbons, fire extinguisher, आग बुझाने वाले आलात, and plastic foam. This is the example of the use of plastic foam used in making disposable cups or boxes, etc. Environmental concerns of air pollution. There are four major environmental concerns, namely photochemical smoke, acid deposition, greenhouse effect and ozone shield destruction. First one is the photochemical smoke. Warm air near the ground or earth is able to escape into the atmosphere. Sometimes smoke and soot. What is soot? It is a deep black powdery substance consisting largely of amorphous carbon. Amorphous mean do not have any specific shape, produced by the incomplete burning of organic matter. So smoke and soot, they are trapped near the earth due to long lasting thermal inversion. What is thermal inversion? A natural phenomenon that involves a change in the normal tendency of the air टू कूल डाउन विद आल्टीट्यूड, यानी सूरज की रोशनी जब ज़मीन पर पड़ती है तो अर्थ का टेम्परेचर जो है वो राइज हो जाता है, हीट अप हो जाता है। हवा जब गर्म हो जाती है वो हल्की होकर ऊपर उठती है, जैसे जैसे हवा ऊपर जाती है वो हीट उसमें से लॉस्ट होती जाती है, तो हवा जो है वो हमारे पास या एयर हमारे पास कूल डाउन हो जाती है, तो आल्टीट्यूड पर पहुंचते पहुंचते वो बिल्कुल कोल्ड होती है हमारे पास। दिस होल फिनोमिना इज नोन एज थर्मल इन्वर्जन। दिस प्रोसेस कॉज अ डेंस फॉग that remains suspended in natural mist. What is mist? Small droplets of water suspended in the air and produce photochemical smoke under warm and sunny condition. Photochemical smoke, it contains two air pollutants, nitric oxide and hydrocarbon. They react with one another in the presence of sunlight to produce ozone and peroxyacetyl nitrates. The layers of atmosphere. The layer that is present near the earth is known as troposphere. Second, stratosphere, in which ozone is present. The function of ozone is it protect the harmful rays from the sun to reach the earth. Then mesosphere, thermosphere and exosphere. जब तक हमारे पास ओजोन लेयर या ओजोन स्ट्रेटोस्फीयर में प्रेजेंट है तब तक तो वो एज अ प्रोटेक्टिव लेयर काम करती है, सनलाइट से हार्मफुल रेस ज़मीन तक पहुंचने नहीं देती। लेकिन अगर यही ओजोन हमारे पास ट्रोपोस्फीयर में प्रोड्यूस हो तब वो लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म के लिए हार्मफुल होती है। अदर गैस पोल्यूटेंट्स इंक्लूड कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड कम्स फ्रॉम द बर्निंग ऑफ फॉसिल फ्यूल, व्हीकल एग्जॉस्ट and burning of forest results in the formation of ozone. Breathing ozone affects the respiratory and nervous system, resulting in respiratory distress, यानी सांस का ख़राब हो जाना, सांस सही तरीके से नहीं ले सकता इंसान, headache and exhaustion, थकावट हो जाना. Ozone damage to plants, leaf mottling. Mottling means that is marked with spots and reduced growth. Smoke, it contains two air pollutants, nitric oxide and hydrocarbon. When this nitric oxide and hydrocarbon combine in the presence of sunlight, it produces ozone and PAN, peroxyacetyl nitrate. Second is the acid deposition by means of acid rain. Sulfur dioxide, nitric oxide and nitrogen dioxide can be converted into acids like sulfuric acid and nitric acid. These acids return to the earth with the rainwater as acid rain. Acid rain causes dying of lakes, leaches aluminium from the soil and carries it to the lake. Or acid rain or acid also cause mercury deposit in the lake bottom sediments and can be converted into methyl mercury. Lake become acidic, lethal for the living organism. Lethal means death causing. Acid rain also cause damage to the forest, reduction of agriculture yields. It cause damage to the marble and limestone monuments, means मज़ार वगैरह जो होते हैं, and also the buildings. Acid rain causes increase in illness in humans due to lung cancer and colon cancer. Colon, that is the part of large intestine. Third one is the global warming. Certain air pollutants allow the sun rays to pass through but then absorb and re-radiate back toward earth. Allow sunlight, this process is known as the greenhouse effect. It allows the sunlight to pass through and then traps resulting heat inside. जैसे ग्रीन हाउस हमारे पास प्रिपेयर किया जाता है, प्लांट्स की ग्रोथ की जाती है, उसको किसी प्लास्टिक वगैरह से कवर कर दिया जाता है। इसका मकसद ये है कि सनलाइट वहाँ एंटर तो हो सकती है लेकिन वो वापस री रेडिएट बैक नहीं हो सकती या वहाँ से वापस नहीं निकल सकती, जिसका मकसद हीट क्रिएट करना है। ऐसे ही हमारे अपर एटमॉस्फेयर में गैसेस प्रेजेंट हैं, वो गैसेस हमारे पास या वाटर ड्रॉपलेट्स भी प्रेजेंट हैं, वो सनलाइट को पास तो होने देती हैं लेकिन वो वापस उनको जाने नहीं देती, जिसकी वजह से हमारे पास हीट जो है वो प्रोड्यूस होती है, हीट प्रोड्यूस होने की वजह से अर्थ का टेम्परेचर राइज हो रहा है एंड दैट रिजल्ट्स इन दी ग्लोबल वार्मिंग. The gases that are present in the atmosphere, upper atmosphere, that cause this greenhouse effect: carbon dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, methane, chlorofluorocarbons, halons or chlorofluorobromine, and fire extinguishers. Carbon dioxide causes 50% of the global warming. Because of global warming, temperature may rise from zero point 0.5 to 5 degrees centigrade by 2020 to 2025. Global warming causes sea level to rise because of snow melting, as a result of which flood may come. Earth will covered by means of marshes and swamps. Change in the climate may also result in the drought condition. मीन जब टेम्परेचर ज़्यादा हो जाए, हीट बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाए, वाटर जो मौजूद है सॉइल में वो हमारे पास एवोपरेट हो जाएगा, जिसकी वजह से ज़मीन ड्राई हो जाएगी, प्लांट ग्रोथ नहीं कर सकेंगे और ड्रॉट कंडीशन डेवलप हो जाएगी. फोर्थ, ओजोन शील्ड डिस्ट्रक्शन caused by chlorofluorocarbons and halons, that is chlorofluorobromine. The chlorofluorocarbons are used in the refrigerators, air conditions, styrofoam cups and egg cartons. This is the image of egg cartons, and this is styrofoam used in making these disposable cups, boxes, etc. Halons or chlorofluorobromines are anti-fire agent used in fire extinguisher. When temperature drops, these compounds chemically react on frozen particle surface within the stratospheric cloud and release chlorine and bromine that react with ozone and destroy it. Means chlorofluorocarbons and chlorofluorobromines, इसमें हमारे पास क्लोरीन प्रेजेंट है और ब्रोमीन प्रेजेंट है. ये जब स्ट्रेटोस्फेयर में क्लाउड्स के साथ रिएक्ट, उनकी सरफेस पे रिएक्ट करते हैं तो इनमें से हमारे पास क्लोरीन और ब्रोमीन रिलीज़ हो जाता है. क्लोरीन और ब्रोमीन रिलीज़ होने की वजह से ओजोन लेयर में हमारे पास डिस्ट्रक्शन होती है. सिंगल क्लोरीन एटम कैन डिस्ट्रॉय अबाउट 1 lakh molecules of ozone. Destruction of ozone layer allow UV rays to enter troposphere, results in causing skin cancer. Promotion of smoke at faster rate, यानी उसके बनने में ज़्यादा हेल्प करता है. It also causes death of plants and animals living in the surface layers of oceans. Indoor pollution. Indoor air is more polluted than outdoor. Nitrogen dioxide produced during combustion in stoves, यानी चूल्हे या इलेक्ट्रिक ओवन वगैरह, found twice indoor than outdoor. Carbon monoxide released in offices because of smoking. Garages, जहाँ गाड़ियों की रिपेयरिंग का काम होता है. And radioactive decay in uranium bearing material in the earth. And those incorporated into building material such as concrete blocks release higher level of radioactive radon. So radon and uranium, they cause air pollution.